Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment. And remember, good no man, you not have to ask nobody. And nobody not have to tell you no. Because you don't know how me go to work already. So without further ado, my people, make we mix up the gravy, take the meat off of the bone and get straight to work. Me African ladies them. Me sorry for you, but you don't come at me. Uno big superstar Burna Boy look like say him love the woman them where Jamaican or even have a Jamaican descent or little trace of Jamaican blood in a them. And them the girl they are mad Burna Boy. People, Burna Boy the great superstar, African superstar. We are on the world internationally right now. You hear me I say? Him get caught up in a love triangle they were not normal, me people. Right now you have two women, two big entertainer we out to go head to head film, war, cat fight, crab up one another, till all one of them offer the other one boxing at them face. People, I don't know this about go down, but me want to say to you know. Them two women you don't know them very well too. Cause everybody know JADA Kingdom. The good old twinkle. The Turkin Queen. Who don't know the one with the little small waist with the big body like a so. And stay good like a so. Yeah man. JADA Kingdom me attack. And then you know have the good old STEFLON Dan. The UK international artist STEFLON Dan. And the one they have the big breast them like a so, the big body like a so, the shape like a so, and the pretty face like a so. Yeah man. A Burna Boy we not take up on them today. But here what go on you know. STEFLON Dan and Burna Boy fall out. It come like say them name really left. It come like them just fall out. And yet who you think Burna Boy go for? Burna Boy go for Twinkle. The good, nice, big body twerking queen, JADA Kingdom. Me say me no know what JADA Kingdom Japan Burna Boy, but Burna Boy if you come do a song say him buy a JADA Kingdom the Birkin bag and one if a sitting. But just the other day now, it was STEFLON Dan birthday. And Burna Boy surprised STEFLON Dan with a brand new ride, custom, everything. And make me tell you this woman, me understand where STEFLON Dan come from because any man buy a woman, one of them top right. Let me see if I can remember good. Me no remember if it's a Bentley or a Rolls Royce or something like that. But if me no lie about 300 million naira Burna Boy pay for the vehicle. 300 million naira if me no lie. For the vehicle. Anyway, that the vehicle make any woman drop them, you know what. Make me tell you this now, come like STEFLON Dan come like say, oh, right now she go defend her man right through. She want back her man because how I go and STEFLON Dan no find nobody like Burna Boy it look like because Burna Boy, when me say, everybody know Burna Boy. Any song where Burna Boy drop it. Anything Burna Boy go pan off it. What you want to see Burna Boy go do a song with the youth, they will do the song with him Taliban, when name again, Byron Messiah. It. Him do a remix with that song there. Anything Burna Boy drop it. The whole world know that. Right? And people come like STEFLON Dan say, watch you now. You no think say my man come by me this a big birthday present and me no defend my man and ray and arms up back him man. So STEFLON Dan all of a sudden come out come drop a song. Me no know. If I be JADA Kingdom or what, but all me know. STEFLON Dan make them know say she now run through dance hall and sell her crutches. And some girl go ray with her man and if he get boxing at them face. People, it never go down well with Twinkle. It never go down well with Twinkle. Twinkle go up on her Instagram and Twinkle make a post say, him need to know And Steflon then need to make it clear. If a she attack, say she a offer her box. Or she attack BURNA boy previous manager. Because if a she, Steflon then a offer box, it not go normal. It not go normal, me people. And me said that wasn't enough for with good old twinkle Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom make sure take it to her life and make Steflon Dan know say my girl, the man where you run down. BURNA boy ma for everybody. And she go there. And she get more than what she did expect and she take it and move. And she say yes. Down there so what she have is blessed. And that's why BURNA boy get tie up in the net. And couldn't come out and stuck round her till all Birkin bag come in. Flight pan private jet. Be a sitting. You hear me I say? But Steflon Dan make it clear. I mean I go around the corner say Jada Kingdom get dig from BURNA boy because BURNA boy fly her pan private jet. Take her pan holiday. Buy her Birkin bag. And all of these things, me people. You get me? So right now, me have to wonder, say, two big old entertainer woman are going to cat fight for another entertainer. Just because BURNA boy is one of the greatest right now, international artists, especially from Africa, him locked down the whole of Africa. We know that. Him have money can done. BURNA boy money can done. Any event BURNA boy at a headline, it's sold out. So we don't know what me talk about. Whether I do it in England, Africa, America, Canada, anywhere BURNA boy do a show. Once I him a headline that it's sold out. You don't believe me when me tell you that. Right? But BURNA boy, me a fear wonder say this man look like him just love the Jamaica girl, you know? Yeah man. Jamaica ladies. Me feel like I'm going to jump in him DM because him love the Jamaica woman them. And if you have little bit of trace of Jamaica blood in you, BURNA boy want you. You see me? Jada Kingdom make it clear to Steflon and say BURNA boy for everybody. BURNA boy is a big old man word. That Jada Kingdom I say. So any girl, can't have remember, you know, them man don't really go after girl and not get them, you know. You see me? So Jada Kingdom says she was just the on the list and she take what she get and move. And if everybody thinks he does a Birkin bag, where BURNA boy sing boy in him song with Jada Kingdom alone him get. She says she get way more and she take what she forget and lift up. You see me? But ladies, let me tell you this man. Right now, and this is for Steflon Dan and for Jada Kingdom. When you see as entertainers, you have to have like a standard about yourself too. Me know say BURNA boy a big general in the thing and a superstar in the thing, but at the same time, you know a big artist who you make your own mola. Me don't know if all of this is full of staying at the spotlight. You see me I deal with? Because Steflon Dan, me no hear no hit song from you from what year. Jada Kingdom, me no hear no hit song from you from what year. BURNA boy always a hit. Any name called with BURNA boy name, that alone make you trend. You see me? BURNA boy in general in the thing. BURNA boy can get pretty much girl him want. You see me? Them man they just a free lunch. But one thing with BURNA boy and Steflon Dan, them they a little while now still. Afar them a come from in a type of way. So Jada Kingdom, me don't know if Jada Kingdom was just a bounce back after BURNA boy and Steflon Dan fall out. Me no know. The box where Steflon Dan offer, me no know if I for Jada Kingdom. The lick out where Steflon Dan lick out and say some girl get dig for your flight from private jet and for Birkin bags and baiting. Me no know if as Jada Kingdom and that Jada Kingdom want to know. And this is the question to Steflon Dan. Is it Jada Kingdom or not you're talking about? Because Twinkle want to know. Because Twinkle decides that she not take no in the new area. And she avoided the last year when she and BURNA boy flex and enjoy themselves. And this year now, if a she have a box, it not go down normal. But ladies, you keep it lyrical, please and thanks. We don't mind hear some lyrical feud that go on the people. But we don't take it physical. BURNA boy, you're general in the thing. Who can fault you? Because if we rich like you have your fame, God know what that do to. Everybody, big up on yourself and continue to subscribe to the channel. Uno like, uno share, uno comment. And uno go and go tell a friend about my channel too, man. Because uno see the channel I grow and I love the support me I get. Everybody, remember, I not stop telling you. 10K subscriber by March. I know we can do it. Believe.